All right, here we are doing another chainsaw demo run through. New game. So I just beat it. I just acquired the TMP. And as far as I understand it, I should be starting off with the TMP to use. So let's see if that's true. Can't access inventory yet, so let's see what's taking so long.
How far could he have gone?
It's probably not that he's dead. Really doubt that. Really doubt that he's dead. Don't worry about that blood. Not a big deal. Come on, Leon. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Anyone home?
Shh. Shh. You don't ever say that. You're in enemy territory and you're calling out, asking if anybody's home. Let's just skip this cutscene because we know that Leon can give a super kick when he needs to. Let's go. Oh, there it is. There it is. Let's see here. Let's examine this, huh? Shall we? So, level 3 ammo capacity and level 3 reload speed. That is awesome. Okay. Let's examine this one since we never have. The Kendo custom handgun made for Leon. While keeping the basic design of the MUP, its parts were carefully chosen and machined to improve performance. Okay, alright. Right. Wait, where am I going? Down here. Down the stairs. Let's see, skip.
What was that? No fucking way.
Yeah.
This just keeps getting worse.
No loot. I think he discovered me. Come on, Leon. Let's go. This time, what I want to do is I want to kill the chainsaw guy before the end. That's the goal. I think I almost got him the very first time I beat it. I played through it. Like, I think I was really close. Keep going. Get it? Yep. Oops. Oh, man. Gimme. Stab you. You dead. Gunpowder. Craft. Nope. Not falling for that one again. Oh. Come on.
¡Detrás de ti!
You dead or not dead? Took a second. All right, here we go. Here we go.
correr. ¡Agarradlo!
Here we go.
Here we go. Ah! I need to learn how to parry. Oh, man. Really? Dang. Get him, Leon. Oh, come on. Yeah, you're ugly. UGLY, you ain't got no alibi, you ugly. Uh-oh.
Present for you.
Get out of there. Wow. Let go. I hear you. Ah, my knife is broken. Okay.
You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, they're not.
My lucky day.
Go. Come on. I'm running around like a crazy person.
Oh, nice.
No, really? Ran out of time. Ah. Yeah.
La campana.
Yeah. That's it.
Hay que obedecerla.
Survived. How many guys did I kill? I don't know. Skip. Good. 5,300. Ooh. 19 kills and 956. I think that's a record for me. I'll take that. Thank you. Didn't even use a TMP. Did I use it? Yeah, I did at the beginning. But I want to kill the chainsaw guy. I need to kill him. That's my next goal. The next life goal. Defeat that guy. So, didn't do it this time. That means gotta do it again. Catch you later, guys.